Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Kane's Auto Sales in Manchester, New Hampshire. Wow, guess I can't speak. We have the 2015 BMW 428i xDrive Gran Coupe. Not a bad car at all. Definitely a lot more fun than I was expecting. Definitely enjoyed my time in it. Yeah, 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder. All right, so it's in Sport Plus. That's good. We'll do normal drive and then paddles, because paddles defaults it to Sport transmission, I believe. Oh, this thing is so much fun, honestly. You know, I'm not saying this because we're trying to sell it. I'm saying this. I got into it and I was like, okay, yeah, this is pretty cool. No, this thing's a lot of fun. Of course, could ask for more power, but it's ample for what it is. I mean, at the end of the day, this is the 428, not like the 435 or whatever. M440. Acceleration, I want it in sport. Okay. That's impressive. At redline, this thing just bangs off shifts. Huh? 8-speed torque converter auto. One thing that's really honestly surprising me is the fact that you can't feel the speed. You'll look at the number and you'll be like, oh, that's bigger than I thought it would be. You know, it just cruises so well. Oh. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.